This video will show you the build process for this aftermarket dust boot for the Onefinity CNC. The 3D printing files and the parts list will be in the description below, and the parts list can be found in my Amazon store under the CNC Enclosure list. The first step will be to insert the threaded inserts into the bottom plate of the dust boot. Next, thread the bolts through the threaded inserts, and their only function here is to stick through just a bit and give the magnets on the top side of the dust boot something to attach to. These are M8 by 16 millimeter screws. Next, we will fit our brush strip into the slot on the bottom port and cut it to size. Once the brush strip is cut to size, I attached using a little bit of Starbond CA glue, and I only did a couple dabs so that hopefully if I ever need to replace this brush strip, it will come out easy. Next, we will sink the magnets into the top portion of the dust boot. Again, we're using CA glue with some accelerator to get those to stick nice and fast. And really, you just want a nice deep magnet so that the bolts coming from below will attract. And now that we have our magnets, we get the very satisfying click in to the bottom base. If you're using a 4-inch dust hose for dust collection, you're ready to go from this last step. But for me, I needed a reducer. So here I'm putting the reducer on and using just a simple hose clamp to attach to the top portion of the dust boot. Now simply slide the top portion of the dust boot onto the router spindle and fasten the hose clamp to the router. Thanks for watching. Please comment below if you have any questions on this build.